Hello friends, today we'll be demonstrating the basic tools used in electric circuit. This is a tester. This is a cutter. This is a normal scissor, but you should use a wire cutter instead of a scissor. And this is a wire stripper. There are also other tools like these: the wire stripper, insulated plier, insulation tape, cable cutters, spanners, safety knife, claw hammer, etc. Let me demonstrate how to cut a wire. You just have to hold the wire at the desired length. Simply cut the portion that you want, but I advise you to use a proper wire cutter rather than using a scissor. Now let us strip a wire using a stripper to peel the wire. I am using a normal stripper. Put the wire in the desired hole and apply pressure from the top, and then just pull the wire. This would remove the insulation coat from the wire and we only get the inside. This is how you strip a wire. In case if there is lack of tools, you can actually use a cutter to strip. All you have to do is gently cut the insulation that is there on the wire. Do it from all the sides and make sure you don't put a lot of force into it. Just run the blade and try not to cut all the way through to prevent cutting wires from inside. Twist and bend the cord and you will be able to see the copper leads in the inside. Now let us join two wires. Stick the wires to each other and then just squeeze them with each other. Make sure you make repeated rounds of twisting so that the conduction of electricity is constant and the wires don't lose current. The two cables have been joined now. Let's insulate these wires. Let's cut off the extra portion, you don't actually need it. This is the insulation tape. Put the insulation tape on the portion where we had joined the two cables. Stick it firmly, make good 5 to 6 rounds and reassure that it is glued properly. Now the wire is insulated. Now let's fix a bulb in the bulb holder. This is a bulb holder. You just have to see for this thread on the bulb. Just put the thread in the right position. Put a little pressure and just twist on the right side and the bulb is fixed. To remove the bulb, apply the same process in reverse. Mildly push the bulb downward, twist and the bulb will be removed. Now let's see what is a 2-pin plug. 2-pin plug means that the device plug is not earth and normally has 2 pins that transmit electricity less than 500 watts. Used mainly for chargers, hair straighteners, mobiles, etc. Now that we have opened it, we can see 2 prongs. One is phase and the other one is neutral. Let's take 2 wires and strip them. Take the 2 wires and just twist them around. Hold the red wire in a way, then neutral wire like this. Put the end of the red wire in the black wire and the round of black wire and vice versa. pull both the ends to create a knot. Bend the copper leads of both the wires and put the 2-pin prongs on top of it. Tighten both the prongs. You can also use a screwdriver to tighten the same. Now put both the prongs in the case of 2-pin plug. Put the upper plastic case and just press to fix it. Put the screws back on the plastic case and tighten them. And the 2-pin plug is ready. Let me demonstrate the same with a 3-pin plug. In 3-pin, 2 pins are used to transfer the current and 1 is used for personal protection. It is used in computers, AC, refrigerators and other high voltage devices. The red wire is a neutral wire. The electric current routes out through the neutral wire, which means that this is the route that electric current takes when it takes an exit from an appliance. It is for this reason the neutral wire has a voltage close to 0. Let's just put the wire in the screw hole and tighten it. The green wire is a earth wire, which is for grounding. The longest pin on the 3-pin plug is attached here, so when an appliance with a metal case is plugged, it automatically provides earthing. This last wire is a live wire. This is connected on the live pin. The electric current routes through this live wire. Make sure all the wires and screws are perfectly tightened, as loose connection may lead to hazardous fire due to overheating or even electrical shock. Now carefully place case over perfectly in the box slot. Tighten the screws and the 3-pin plug is ready. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.